Hello friends, here on this video some people ask me that how to turn on dark mode or on our mobile phone. So here I am showing you not only the dark mode, I am going to show you many of the settings. Okay, so watch till end the videos. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on setting. Dark mode is easy, but it's okay, I'll show you for my subscriber. Okay, so the first thing is that you have to scroll on the down, and here you are going to find the display and brightness. After that, from here's the light and here's the dark. Okay, hope you understand. Just activate this one by just tapping on the dark, and here dark mode will be activated. This is called dark mode screen, or if you activate this one, then here this is called light mode screen. Hope you understand. Okay, and friends, you can even auto switch also. It will automatically switch, but you have to schedule dark from sunset to sunrise. You can select from here. Okay friends, and here's the brightness. Even you can automatically control the brightness also if you want to control the automatically brightness. Suppose you went outside and if you activate this automatically brightness, then what will happen? If there is more light, then it will increase by itself, no need to turn on. And if you came on the under house, okay, too dark, okay, already night, then it will decrease by itself. This is called automatically brightness increase and increase upward and downward. Okay, here's the eye comfort and sleep. So if you activate this, enable all the dynamic ultra high frequency, OMG, if you activate this one, then it's very good for you, for your eyes. If you activate dark mode and eye comfort shell, it will help your eyes. Okay, it will not create problem to your eyes much. Okay, so you can use this one. Example, like you are reading through phone, you are studying on phone. Okay, your notes on your mobile phone, you have to study through phone, so you can activate this all, then you can study through this also. Okay, and friends, here you can even increase the display size or smaller the display size also through this increasing and decreasing. Okay, you can increase, you can decrease also, increase and decrease. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video. This is how about the dark mode and about the eye comfort shell. Hope you understand how to use and how to activate. And friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.